Intro. Data analysis can often seem like a daunting task, filled with complex tools and techniques. But fear not, because today we are going to demify the world of data analysis and uncover the essential tools and techniques that can help you master this important skill. Main content. Let's start the basics. Understanding what data analysis is all about. At its core, data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, inform conclusions, and support decision-making. One of the key tools in data analysis is Excel. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Excel can be a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data. Learn how to use formulas, functions, and pivot tables to make sense of your data. Moving on to more advanced techniques, let's talk about data visualization. Visualizing data through charts, graphs, and dashboards can provide valuable insights and help you communicate your findings effectively. Another essential technique in data analysis is regression analysis. By examining the relationship between variables, regression analysis can help you make predictions and understand patterns in your data. No discussion on data analysis would be complete without mentioning Python. Python is a popular programming language for data analysis, thanks to its simplicity and versatility. Learn how to use Python libraries like pandas and NumPy for data manipulation and analysis. Finally, let's touch on machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Dive into the world of machine learning to take your data analysis skills to the next level. Outro. Data analysis doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right tools and techniques, you can unlock valuable insights from your data and make informed decisions. So go ahead, dive into the world of data analysis and see where it takes you.